got that nice flat bottom on it. Did you want that piece MDF to go underneath the other one? Can you get on there? There we go. I'll put the weights off anyway.
Oh, sweet. That ain't going anywhere. Oh shit.
Oh shit.
I mean, as long as there's no earthquake, we're good.
Because you know Alberta,
Yeah. Sweet.
so common with their earthquakes.
We are professional movers. If you need an engine move, don't call us.
Yeah.
Okay. Here's the end stand we're going to use. It's a Maximum from Canadian Tire. So this can hold 1,000 pounds. Should be more than enough for the M54 B25. Instructions. Nice. There's probably all the hardware in it. The wheels. Bolts we'll need. Maximum. This is what it'll look like when it's all put together. last bolt. Here it is all assembled. All the bolts are in. There's one tricky one to get that goes underneath here. The wheels are held in with cotter pins, which is nice. So yeah, let's get an engine on it now. See how she works. Sure. Should probably put something on the valve cover, but
Still feeling around.
oh, perfect. Hopefully we got that on video. It's really hard to film in the small place. Okay.
Now the fun part.
So I think what we'll do is we'll lower it down, and maybe we'll just unbolt the back one.
Yeah.
And just keep that bolt on, and then we'll bolt this to it.
Okay.
Just gonna show these guys the sketchiness of. As you can tell, we're not BMW experts. We will be eventually. So one of the bolts that we need for the engine stand we use for the chain. So if you guys know a better way to lift this, just let me know in the comments, please. So let's take that off, but keep that chain on and try not to die. Yeah, it's gonna need
A wrench.
yeah, both bottom ones actually. I bet Chrome 19 might fit. Yeah, when people do this on YouTube, usually they're just like, yeah, it goes on.
Yeah, it's just right on there.
Yeah. Hmm?
Yeah. Even his fancy little thing.
How's it going?
I think good. I think.
Everything so far has gone together. I mean, we haven't fully released that engine onto the stand, but it seems pretty sturdy as is. This chain's really not doing that much.
Some tension on it. Let's do that. Okay, so now, last bolt. That. That's tight. Those are tight down there. Oh, just this big one here. Alright. Maximum, I need some bigger gear wrenches, or ratcheting wrenches. If they see this review video, maybe we'll get some.
Fingers crossed. I mean, if you can't tell, we do like our Canadian Tire products pretty well.
Okay, now let's put it in the corner and not touch it for another 5 years. I guess I'll take full tension off it now and
See if it falls.
woo! Seems sturdy. Pretty fun. Oh yeah, that ain't going anywhere. Okay, now that we got the engine on the stand, we're gonna winterize it with this fogging oil from Motormaster, or what do they call it now? Engine storage spray. So, I guess it makes it a bit easier to find and know what it's for. I've always called it fogging oil, but I guess it's different now. But same thing, so Canadian Tire stand, Canadian Tire storage spray. Let's see how it works. Freezing cold here. We got snow already, so tools are cold. Some gloves on. Oops. Curious how these plugs look. Pretty good. See that there? OEM BMW Bosch. Nice. So now what we're going to do is just spray fogging oil right down into the cylinder here. Actually has a really nice spray pattern. Oops, just leave it like that. Okay, now let's do the rest of them. Alright, perfect. I gotta say, these M54 engines are really growing on me. Really easy to work on. Everything comes apart nice. And before we store it for good, I'm gonna dress her up a little bit. What do you think of that? Just a little preview of what's to come on this engine. Now I am missing a lot of studs, so I'm gonna have to see what we can do for now. Oh, these bolts are too small as well. Oh, well. I'll have to do just for picture purposes right now. Yeah. how's that look? Looks sweet. Yeah, can't wait to have this engine installed and hear these headers. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Use a lot of MotoMaster, Mastercraft Maximum stuff, and pretty amazing quality. And we're really lucky in Canada that we have this type of equipment and just really accessible at any Canadian tire. As always, guys, thanks for watching. Closer view of that. It's absolutely beautiful.